Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ophelia, and today I'll be showing you how it is I do my pot roast pork. So let's get right into it. So the ingredients I'll be using today: scallion, crushed pimento seeds, Scotch bonnet pepper, onions, thyme, carrots, and of course some Irish potato. The pork has already been washed in vinegar and ready to be prepared. For the other seasonings, I'll be using paprika, Chinese soy sauce, some browning, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and some Maggi All Purpose seasoning. So to get started, we'll be seasoning the pork. I'll firstly be adding 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, so for the other seasonings, I'll just be shaking some at estimation, and for the soy sauce and browning, I'll be adding 1 corkful and 2 corkfuls, which works out to about a teaspoon and a teaspoon and a half. Once all the seasonings have been added to the meat, you'll just go ahead to mix that in on the top and at the bottom of the pork, allowing the seasoning to soak into the meat. Once you have completed the seasoning process, then you'll leave the meat covered to marinate. Once we have preheated the oil, we'll go ahead to add the pork to the pot, first removing the excessive seasoning such as the onion or the scallions to avoid them burning in the pot. You will then check the pot in another 5 to 10 minutes to flip the pork to the other side to allow it to also get a golden shade. Do check on the pot occasionally to ensure that there is still liquid in the pot in which will be used to cook the pork, as well as to test to see if it has been cooked. So you'll check to see if it is becoming softer through the process. I did also add some of my homemade green seasoning to some warm water to the pot, just a bit to add additional flavor for taste. The link will be in the description as well as at the end of the video to show you how it is I made this green seasoning. At this point, the pork is fully cooked. You'll just test to see the texture, to see if it is now soft, and then you'll be able to go ahead to remove it from the pot for your slicing. And just like that, guys, the pot roast pork is ready to be served. So you also have the option of making a sauce that can be served with the pork. If you'd like to see a video as to how this can be done, what you can make to serve with it, let me know in the comment section. Also, guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about my pot roast pork method. Hit me with a like button if it is you liked this video, and if you're here and you are not yet a subscriber, go ahead and join the Naturally Told family and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to also share this video with a friend and let them come over to Naturally Told by Mara and become a part of the Naturally Told family. So this was served with some vegetables, mashed potato with cheese, and some mashed pumpkins. Thanks again for tuning in and staying with me. Until next time, guys, continue to be your most authentic self, and of course, continue to stay naturally. Until the next video, bye.